Hey there, diet beginners. Ready to kickstart your journey to a healthier you? Let's dive into some simple tips on how to start and, more importantly, stick to your diet plan. First off, set realistic goals. You're not going to lose 10 kilos overnight. Start small, like swapping out your daily soda for water. Baby steps, folks. Next, meal prep is your best friend. Plan your meals for the week ahead. Trust me, it's easier to resist that pizza delivery when you've got a delicious, healthy meal waiting at home. Now, find a diet buddy. Misery loves company, right? Just kidding. Having someone to share the journey with can keep you motivated and accountable. Speaking of motivation, don't forget to reward yourself. No, I don't mean with a whole cake. Treat yourself to something non-food related like a new book or a relaxing bath. Track your progress. Whether it's using an app or good old pen and paper, seeing your progress can boost your morale and keep you going. And if you slip up, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track. Lastly, mix things up. Trying new recipes or activities can keep things exciting and prevent that dreaded diet burnout. So there you have it. Starting and sticking to your diet plan doesn't have to be torture. Remember, it's all about balance and making sustainable changes. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Stay healthy, everyone.